So I'm Adrian Hill, Technology Manager at Morris Lubricants, and I'm here today with Charlotte Vowden and Steve Vowden. We're taking their 1960s MGA north of the Arctic Circle, and today we're just going to talk a little bit about what you're taking on the journey to make sure that you have a trouble-free expedition. So the booth will be full of various bits and bobs. Steve, I shall.
Well, they did. Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely, yeah.
So what will you be taking with you to ensure success?
First of all, engine oil. She's a 1960s car, so she'll always use a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
So you've got to make sure you've got plenty with you, because you don't want to run out of that. Other things, obviously, coolant, just to make sure that if there's any top-ups.
Antifreeze coolant?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we'll be taking stuff with us that we can top up if the levels go down, but also having something like MD4, which I've learned as an apprentice in training to my wonderful mechanic father, can be used for sorts of things.
Good for general
All-round MD4.
Absolutely. It does everything from dispersing water to cleaning the hulks, everything. It's a very, very good product. It's an absolute go-to, that stuff.
It's a good penetrant fluid as well, so if you've got a nut which is sticking or something, you can free it off with a little bit of MD4.
So, having something that can be used in a repair process or just doing some tinkering or whatever, that's really useful as well, with having these products that we top up.
Yeah, it's a bit of a Swiss Army knife, the old MD4, definitely.
Absolutely.
Indeed. And of course, you'll be taking some fresh DOT4 brake fluid, just in case. So
Absolutely.
completely unopened, sealed container, so no water's in there, so that's perfect. For a bit of topping up.
Screen wash as well.
Oh, yeah.
The windscreen on that car is very, very small. We're going to be doing a lot of miles. You're going to get dirt, you're going to get bugs, all sorts of things. And so, we've spoken about how important safety is. So having a good screen wash that, can take the conditions, if it's cold, if it's hot, that's essential. So we'll be having some of that with us as well.
Terrific. And use that strong, about 50-50, so it won't freeze in the wash bottle.
Absolutely.
Give you lots of cleanliness, cleaning ability. So yeah, perfect. Excellent. Of course, if you do have to get under the bonnet or under the back of the car, you can...
obviously, I will be getting under. Very, very good product, in as much as it gets every little bit out of the pores, but without creating any problems with the skin.
Excellent. Oh, what more could you want?
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Yes.
Right. Well, thank you, team. Thank you very much. Good luck with the challenge, and thanks for talking us through your precautionary measures. Thank you.
It's like a first aid kit for the car.
I like that. If you'd like to see any more content like this, please visit the Morris Lubricants website or our YouTube channel.